Welcome to Get Merch Made Academy. My name is Chris. This academy is for influencers that want to make money selling merch to their fans. How can my team and I, based here in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, teach you and or get your merch made so that you can focus on what you do best? Create content, engage with your fans, and ultimately monetize your channel. On this page, we're offering a weekly webinar where we discuss topics related to manufacturing in Vietnam. The webinar is limited to 10 people. In the beginning, each person gets a minute to introduce themselves. Then I give a presentation on 7 rookie mistakes to avoid when working with factories here in Vietnam. Then we take turns and each person gets to ask questions, which I answer as best I can based on my 15 plus years of experience here in Vietnam. Scroll down to learn more about the webinar and read testimonies, or message us if you have any questions. Thanks for your time. And remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam, where you can get your merch made at a fair price and good quality.